Here is how to change your phone number on Instagram account. So go ahead and launch your Instagram application. Also make sure that the Instagram application is up to date. Then click on your profile picture icon to go to your profile section. Then select the three lines in the top right corner of your screen to go to the settings and activities section. From here, open the account center from the top. From profiles and personal details, you need to scroll down, hover over to the personal details section and open the contact info. Here you'll see the list of emails and phone numbers that is associated with your Instagram account. Now, if you want to go ahead and change the number that is associated with your Instagram account, go ahead and select it first. Then select delete number, which is highlighted in red color. Then to add a new number, go ahead and select add a new contact from the bottom, which is highlighted in blue color. Now select add mobile number. A new page will appear and you need to go ahead and select the specific Instagram account where you want to add this number. Then tap on next, follow the on-screen instructions, enter your phone number, go through a verification process by entering the code sent to that specific phone number that you're trying to associate your Instagram account, and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.